So with this music stand that I have right here, it helps me play my drums and also be able to read music at the same time. A couple great advantages is you can adjust the length and the size of it with the two knobs down here at the base, and then you have one at the top, so you can make it perfect for your size. It is easy to set up, take down, and store in your house. It also has these dividers in here which make sure that your sheet music won't fall out and it'll stay in place. And then the cool part is it has a phone holder, so you can put your phone if you wanted to record yourself or even put out your sheet music on here. You can do that as well, and it also can be twisted down in any way that you need to twist it, and then it's easy to move up and down just so you need it for your thing. To take this off, I just want to show you, it has this super soft sheet here, that way your books aren't going to get damaged, and it'll protect it from the base part here too. And it is super easy to put on. Just go like this, and then you can adjust the straps as well if need be. So overall, this is a really, really great music stand. It's perfect for me, and if you are a musician, I would highly recommend you getting your music stand today. Thank you. Not only is this a music stand, you also can move this part up. You can place stuff on top, hold stuff. I like to put my projector, and I watch movies, and I just put it right here. It'll hold it. It holds a lot of weight to it. Also, for like my business meetings, I can put my notes on here, have my phone right here, and be able to look at that. So it's also a multi-purpose use. You don't have to use it just for your music, which is also very, very handy, which also makes this a really great product. So if you need something like this, I would highly recommend you getting yours today. Thank you.